One of the most common answer traps in fill-in-the-blank questions is the opposite answer. And an opposite answer is a word with a meaning that's somewhat opposite, or at times a complete antonym to the meaning of the correct answer choice. So, for example, if you're looking for a word meaning happy, there's likely going to be a word among the answer choices meaning sad, if it's a complete antonym. But you might even find an answer like frustrated, since someone who's frustrated is not happy. Frustrated is not a total opposite of happy, but it's opposite the idea that goes in the blank. Let's look at some examples from practice test 1 in the official guide to the GRE. In section 2, we have a question with these two answer choices, appreciated by and alienated from. The correct answer is the second one. To be alienated is to be separated from others. People who are alienated feel pushed aside and alone, which is the opposite of feeling appreciated. Being appreciated is a good thing, but being alienated is negative. So that first answer is an opposite answer trap. Here's another from the same test, imitation and invention. The correct answer is invention, which is a new product of the imagination. Imitation is the opposite of this. It's not new, but a copy, and it's lacking any original thought or imagination. And one final example from practice test 1, schism, cooperation, and compliance. The correct answer is schism, which is a division often caused by disagreement or opposition. Cooperation, however, is working together, the opposite of being divided. And compliance is an opposite answer in its own way. To comply is to give in or to conform to what somebody else wants. So it's the opposite of standing your ground and causing a separation. So this question had two opposite answer traps. So why do the test makers do this? Do they really think you're that dumb that you're going to pick an answer meaning sad when you're looking for one that means happy? Well, yeah, they do, based on what other test takers have done that have come before you. They know that you know the meaning of the word cooperation, and they think you probably know the meaning of the word compliance. But the test makers are betting that you don't know the meaning of the word schism, and because you don't know it, you won't pick it as the correct answer. And some students do this. They pretend schism doesn't exist because they cannot define it. They'll look at the answers they do know, and when they don't see one meaning a division caused by disagreement, they'll assume they misread the question stem or they missed a prefix or a word that had the opposite effect on the blank. So they'll pick an opposite answer because it's in line with their translation of the question stem. Now, two key takeaways from this. One, if there are no known words in the answer choices that match your prediction for the blank, eliminate any that have the opposite meaning of your prediction and pick an unknown. And then two, if you see two words that have opposite meanings and you can define both of them, one of those answers is probably the right answer.